Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert page number start at 1 on page 2 in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. At first, we have to open an Affinity Publisher document. Now we want to start page numbers at 1 on page 2. Go to the window menu first. Then select the pages option. And we can see here show the page at once. Now I am go to the second page, double click on the page, then select the frame text tool and draw a text frame top on the page. Then go to the text option, select the insert option and go to fields. Then select page number. Now we can see here the page number we insert. Then we select the number and write 1 on our keyboard. Then select the move tool and go to the window menu again, enable the layer option and lock the page number layer. Now we can see we make the page number 1 at page 2 very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.